Hello everybody, today is a nice day, but tonight we gotta make something really special. We got the eggplant over here, we got ours, green hot pepper, garlic, onion, capper, basil, plum tomato. I need the vinegar, a little sugar, and I got the breasted chicken over here. And we gotta start to do the breasted chicken first. And I got everything I got over here. We put the chicken, salt, the black pepper, vinegar, and I got a lemon. Everything I want to take it out enough over here. And I want to put it right on this dish. Okay. All right. Now, we gotta start with the chicken first. And we bring it right over here on the stove. And we gotta put the gas on.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching us again.
Okay. And we put this gas on over here, because I gotta saute the eggplant. I want to make sure we leave it stay a little bit more. And over here, I got to use oil to saute the eggplant. Now, one time I saute the eggplant over here, nice. We got to, after I got to take it out. And we put that one over there. And this, now, let me bring the eggplant over here. Look at the eggplant, how beautiful. It was a local eggplant, this. It was really good.
So how is everybody doing tonight? Good?
Now this, it's the caponata we'll make. Caponata with the breast chicken. Okay. We gotta make sure to not put the flame too high. Now this we got the oil over here, and this it's for the eggplant. All right. Basta carne bella. Okay, this over here, and now, yeah, we do little wine. And we do salute e cin cin to everybody. Cin cin.
Hello Maria. Thank you so much for watching all.
E I got a little tarallini.
Carol. Billy's hungry.
Billy's hungry? Why? E salute e cin cin to everybody. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for the star. Cin cin, salute. Okay, let's see the chicken.
Hello Mike.
All right. Okay, now look, eggplant already, I gotta take it out, cause we gotta do the rest. Okay, we load the gas really low, cause we take the eggplant out. Good.
Starts smelling really good already.
Yes, it smells really good. And this spot, okay. And we raise the gas a little bit. And now we gotta bring everything over here. I got the plum tomato. Yeah, I got this. Okay, now we start with the onion.
Oh, the chicken, it was balsamic vinegar, lemon, parsley, garlic, little oil, and salt and pepper.
And we got a garlic, everything. Okay. We load the gas. Okay, I don't want to burn my onion. Okay, this you gotta come really. And we caramelize the garlic and the onion a little bit. And now we got the
You're welcome, Leslie.
hot pepper.
How is the weather at your place tonight? Still very hot?
Okay. We got caramelized really good. And look at this basil. This is from my garden, a Sciarappa. Okay? Really good.
Wow, 103? Ooh, really hot. Wow. Unbelievable.
103, it's the heat. I love the heat. When it's really hot, I like. In Italy, boy, I was working a farm, really hot over there.
Hello, Debbie. It's chili. Oh.
Okay, let's see the chicken and
No, actually in Italy it's very dry, so it's not humid, so it's perfect weather. Today was a little windy, but it was nice.
Okay, now this we gotta put really on low. Pepper.
I think the humidity is the worst.
The green olives. All right, now we got the plum tomato. Now the plum tomato already was like boiled with the water, hot water, and take the skin out and the seeds out.
Salut, Chin Chin Bill.
Okay, now we put a little salt. A black pepper. And the best what I do, I put the leaves. I'm not cutting with a knife. I cut it with my finger. The knife will lose the juice. And we put it like this. Maybe this year I got so many basil. Maybe I gotta do a couple of jars of the pesto. All right, and now we put the eggplant back. All right.
Delicious.
And we put little sugar, not too much. You think it's enough flavor, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we got the sugar. And we put a little vinegar. All right.
Send picture, Debbie.
And now, nice turn. Okay, we turn off the gas over there. Okay, we taste this one. Really good. And the caponata, it's really delicious. Thank you very much, everybody, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Chin chin. Salute, and we'll see you next time. Chin chin.
Thank you, everyone.